The demand for Scrum certified product owners is surging across multiple sectors, signaling robust career opportunities for those with advanced skills. With an expected job growth rate of 25%, product owner leadership roles are listed among the top 10 most promising jobs on LinkedIn and the top 6 emerging jobs in product development by the World Economic Forum. Average salary for experienced product owners is roughly $1 million and is expected to increase by 10% year on year. This expanding need spans diverse industries from IT, telecom, and government to oil, gas, entertainment, finance, and healthcare. Hi, my name is Vijay Bandaru, and I want to welcome you to Simplilearn Certified Scrum Product Owner Certification Training. I'm a certified Scrum trainer, team coach, and enterprise coach from Scrum Alliance. If you want to elevate your Scrum mastery, you are in the right place. As a certified trainer, I'm here to lead you into the depths of agile product management with proven strategies to succeed in any sector. Join us for 16 hours of live instructor-led sessions where learning comes alive through games, role plays, simulations, and case studies. Our globally recognized certified Scrum trainers, experts in their fields, deliver these interactive sessions. By the end of this course, you will earn 16 SUs plus 16 PDUs with complimentary access to 15 value addition courses worth of $500. You will also get a 2 years complimentary membership of Scrum Alliance to further your professional development. This course offers a comprehensive journey into advanced product ownership, surpassing fundamental concepts. You will explore strategic product visioning and master stakeholder engagement while delving into real-world challenges to hone your agile leadership abilities effectively. With a focus on mastering strategic product backlog management and scalable agile practices, you will gain the tools to drive successful product deliveries. By enhancing your leadership and collaboration skills, you will have a profound impact on your organization's agility and success. Why take CSPO certification at this stage of your career? The evolving job market landscape demands highly skilled Scrum product owners capable of managing dynamic product development cycles. This course prepares you to thrive in roles essential to business agility and innovation. Simplilearn is the world's #1 online bootcamp for digital economy skills training, a global leader in agile training and part of the global registered education ally of Scrum Alliance. Our experienced CSPs have enabled more than 35,000 learners across the globe to achieve their goals. Ready to improve your product owner skills? Enroll in our Certified Scrum Product Owner course and join the global community of Scrum professionals who are making a significant impact. Step into the future of product management. Join us at Simplilearn and transform your professional trajectory with our Certified Scrum Product Owner training. Let's reshape the way products are envisioned and delivered.